This one is dedicated to all those gunmen out there who are killing innocent people and causing fear. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better make your crooked straight or you will regret. Every day you're fussing and fighting, robbing, looting and shooting. Turn your life around or you will go down. Turn your life around. Yes. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. Mr. Man, rinsing your steel, taking another life, how do you feel? One day I know your time will come. Better hear this word of advice and throw down your gun. Every day you're fussing and fighting, innocent blood you've been shedding. Turn your life around or you will go down. Turn your life around. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. Whoa, yeah. Go down on your knees and pray.
Selvie run down Luciano like no vegetative. We murder them, I will about them. Where else to sing up?
We must shout for murder. We must shout for murder tonight. Hey. Inna the neighborhood watch, slang bang inna the neighborhood watch.
My gosh!
Yes, inna the neighborhood watch, down inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
All the while, them coming on me yard, thief off me clothes off a line. But tonight, we dey on me yard, yes me I go broke a boy's spine. Yard inna the neighborhood watch.
Hear that?
We sit down inna the neighborhood watch.
Watch this.
Slang bang inna the neighborhood watch.
Let me know. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too bad. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too bad. And them thief when me video and me one flashlight. And thief off me silk and me linen last night. But Selvie wonder me a set up tonight. Anytime me hold him, me ma go lose him eyesight.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Yes, inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Hold on. I work so hard 7 days a week just to live at ease. Still these thieves don't give me a chance. They do all the things they please.
Can't live in peace.
But tonight, me dey on me yard. Yes, me happy hold one tonight. Now inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Woman and man inna the neighborhood watch.
You tell them, some me girl night, but they still not certain. If me a come win, gun or me have me bottom, say me good night, but them still not certain. If me a come win gun, or me have me bottom, watch ya. When they see me say them get frightened. Me say some of them a flash like them a flash garden. Me young here, but me do young Luciano, come tell them something.
We no have no time to go sleep tonight.
No lie.
No way. Because the petty thief are proud and I know me happy there on me move. Lado, me say Southside, Tel Aviv, Jungle and Rima, Greenvale, Greendale, Painland and Warwick, Deep Park and Meadowbrook, down in the neighborhood watch. This in the neighborhood watch. Lord God, not in the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot
in the neighborhood watch.
You know. Not to me build a big house, me say up a Ken cat. Son of boy, them a flip up, but they no like that. Me say over me fence away them scale over that they want. Take away me stove, they want. Take away me pot, they want. Take away me TV and me what not. Anytime me hold them, me say them show I go flap to make them know. Tell us say me stop sleep at night. Them a rob a two bare face, them get too rest so make them know. Tell us say me stop sleep at night. Them a rob a two bare face, them get too rest. And them thief when me video and me one flashlight. And thief and me silk and me linen last night. So come down to say
shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Every day I get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, but down here is not a place for me. Because too much brutalized to my structure, and I'm afraid of the iniquity worker. Some of them think they can make the rain fall, but Jaja go and lick them with a lightning ball. Flashlight and make it on the road, but Jaja have everything under control. Every day you get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, but down here is not a place for me. I have to keep my eyes open. In this time anything can happen. For who you think is your friend can be your worst enemy. Come with them crosses and misery. Oh we whoa, oh, 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 oh. Shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Shoop, shoop, shoop it a dub top. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Every day I get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, but down here is not a place for me. Because too much brutalized to my structure, and I'm afraid of the iniquity worker. Some of them think they can make the rain fall, but Jaja go and lick them with a lightning ball. Flashlight and make the thunder roll, but Jaja have everything under control. Every day you get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, but down here is not a place for me. Dip on me guard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me guard, them won't come and run me out of me yard. Dip on me guard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come and run me out of me yard. They say them want me big, catch me afraid. Them have the angle and me have the blade. When me right, them a tell me say me wrong, like they want come mash up me repetition. But all them a do, all them a say, foolish rules and regulation I don't obey. Them call themselves the superior, and them say we are the inferior public yard. Because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. Me dip on me yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. It might sound kinda cute, but the truth, it will be an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Them a capturer, them a murderer, them a exploiter and backbiter from the yard. Because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. Me dip on me yard,
revolution, and what it takes to make a solution. Fighting against oppression, ooh yeah. Battering down depression, oh yeah. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, few are chosen. Many are called, few are chosen. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, gotta fight the right fight in this time, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, few are chosen. Many are called, few are chosen. If you wanna live forever, you gotta love each other. Say you gotta live on forever, yeah. And love one another. Boy, gotta fight the right fight in this time. Oh now, oh yeah. Yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Oh yeah. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Said it's time to unite. It's time to live upright. It's time to unite. It's time to live upright. Ooh, look at it. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Oh yeah, yeah. Each one's his brother's keeper. Listen up. Unity is the foundation of survival. Had to let your love come shining through. See, stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Look at it. Why lose your soul because of folly? Leaving behind your woman and babies, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Yeah, hey. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters.
days, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys.
I don't like your anger. I don't like the way they fuss and fight. Oh God, alright. People, don't you think it's time you think it over? Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. Don't you think that all these leaders should stop and consider? From the beginning when Cain killed Abel, what is happening today is written in the Bible. All the fussing and fighting and backbiting. From that day till today, mankind has been unstable. But beg you cool off the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If you go on like this, tell me how will you exist? I said to cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah. With all of the billions they spend on warfare, oh gosh, people are still suffering out there. Yes. What is really wrong with humankind? Don't you see it's time you put your violence and crime behind? But you cool down the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If we go on like this, tell me how will we exist? Cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah, ceasefire. Tell me what you really require. Ceasefire. War is nothing but disaster. Ceasefire. Hungry youths them need them supper. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Yeah. Don't you think mankind should try to think it over? Yes. Cause this violence and crime. Sweep over my soul. Sweep over my soul. Though the rolling life gets through, Jaja sweep over my soul. Blingy back, sweep over my soul. Sweep over my soul. Though the billows roll and tempests blow, Jaja will sweep over my soul. Every day, every morning, I will sing a song of praise to Him. Hail the King of Kings. Every day I will rise. Every morning I will sing. Every evening I will lift my voice. Lift my voice in praise. Oh Lord, sweep over my soul. Sweep over my soul. Though the billows roll and tempests blow, sweep over my soul. I hear a voice is calling from somewhere out there. A voice is singing somewhere in my ear. And I know that I must rise and fill my heart and pray and sing for Jah Almighty. I say stream over my soul.
Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all thy works thy hand doth make. I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When through the woods, the forest glades I wander, and hear the birds sing sweetly in the trees. When I look down from lofty mountain grandeur, and hear the brook and feel the gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sing my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Don't cry, oh no, no. Just remember that God is standing by. Hold on, yeah. When you have heartaches, don't cry, oh no, oh no. Just remember that God is standing by. Sometime when your burden is down, just remember God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So there's no need to cry. God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So don't you worry and don't cry. No, no. When you have troubles, don't cry. Oh no, oh no. Just remember that God is standing by. When your cup runneth over, just remember God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So there's no need to cry. God is standing by.
we know, man. Oh, said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me, be strong. All that for meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say, one day things must get better. Be strong. And I say, all that for meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. One day things must get better. The rich is wise in his own conceit, but the fool with overstanding searcheth him out. Poor man mourn the rich, riches increase. I said, be not grieved, riches are not forever. Envy not the oppressor, choose none of his ways. Be not wise in thine own eyes, only Jah you must praise. Strive not with a man without a cause. If he have done you no harm, let bygone be bygone. Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me, be strong. And I say, well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above that water. One day things must get better. Be strong. And I say, well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say, one day things must get. It's 9 to 5 is a joke compared to the pressure. The minister said the economy is getting better, misleading the people. The mass still suffer. Oh, Jah scarce benefits and spoils. Oh, Jah knows that we feel it. Oh, day and night we cry, cry, cry. I know that we feel it. Who can help a weeping soul like I? Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me, be strong. And I say, well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above that water. One day things must get better. Be strong and a ball. Well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say, one day things must get better. The rich is wise in his own conceit, but the poor with overstanding searcheth him out. Poor man mourn the rich, riches increase. I said, be he not grieved, riches are not forever. Envy not the oppressor, choose none of his ways. Be not wise in thine own eyes, only Jah you must praise. Strike not with the one without a cause. If they have done thee no harm, let bygone be bygone. Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me. Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel. And I said, I sing tongues we have to confess. Good God of my salvation, shine your light upon this generation. Almighty God, ruler of creation, wipe away our sins and all we have done wrong. He that loveth not, knoweth not God, for my God is love. He was, that is, who will always be, who ruleth from the only throne above. Oh yes, you should be put to shame and disgrace for selling out a brother, dishonoring the faith. Lord, give us grace as we come face to face, seeking forgiveness. Is it too late? So while you wash and purge the line, I Buju Banton, I greet you with the sun. I sing, good God of my salvation, shine your light upon this generation. Almighty God, ruler of creation, wash away your sins and all we have done. While elephants play in the grass get trampled, how long shall we be an example? Lord, and you would never ever hurt your people. Humble as a lamb, and so we come to you. Wipe with transgression and everything we do. Yes, and we don't fear no other God but you. Israelites, who no fear open no eyes. Now we see the light, it's time we realize. Whoa, Whoa, good God of my salvation, shine your light upon this generation. Almighty God, ruler of creation, wash away our sins and all we have done wrong. Signs of his coming is really a plan. The signs of the judgment revealed unto man. Lord, no make we caught up in a this bang wrong. Save we from all of the destruction. You sent us many prophets, yet we never give a damn. Joshua and Moses, Peter and John, Marcus, Garvey and the Lentry Babu. Lord, you must be checked, say we mad. Whoa, good God of my salvation, shine your light upon this generation. Almighty God, ruler of creation.
I bless them. Burning fire never ends down. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorance and hard. Simplicity we used to survive. Do what you doing properly, that's the way through life. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorance and hard. Simplicity we used to survive. Children, open up your eyes. It's not the one bag of vanity nor the animosity nor the hypocrisy nor democracy. It's nothing, lava nor the backstabber nor the vampire evil's desire. It's just a meditation of my heart, pure and conscious thought. Be overstanding and be smart. Listen to the children speak the word and shine the light in the dark, yeah. Simplicity we used to survive. Men to find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity me used to survive. Do what you doing properly, that's the way through life. Simplicity I used to survive. Children, open up your eyes. Simplicity me used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Yeah. Avoid your anger, that report. Praise Rastafari and live a worthy cause. Give us all the blessing, give us all reward. To help the poor and find it easy when them find it hard. Simplicity I used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity I used to survive. I shall live and love your life. Keep doing what you're doing, don't you grumble. See what you sow is what you reap, so be humble. Know what you're doing, you never stumble. Burn down Rome and side them crumble. Lead the way with the word that I speak. Never must you stray, praise the King in the east. Oh, I know you teach Christ, I am not spirit. Oh, yeah. Simplicity I used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Simplicity I used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my grounds. They will never ever take my crown. Who damn bless, I say no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a draw first. But I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. When they come with their evil thoughts, I just listen whenever they talk. That is the light into my dark. He cut and clear all my path. They fight me without a cause, trying to make my life so hard. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, give it all reward. I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So down to mix me up in your dirty game. You're only trying to tarnish my name. You're only looking for the innocent to blame, when you're the ones who wish the guns down the lane. You only cause destruction and the pain, but the righteous believes in the rain. Love is all I got to give and I'm not to shine. Looking for the future, the Slayer can't tame. Cause I'm so solid as a rock and they just can't stop me now. Even when they send their traps, they just can't stop me now. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Yeah, yeah. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are still panting, yo. Some people like strong drink, cognac, champagne and brandy, yo. Babies love ice cream and cake and candy, yo. I love herbs and girls, good words, roots and Ashanti, yo. Girls love clothes and shoes, going to school brand new and the means spanking, yo. Yet we all need education because that's the damn thing, yo. All things fade, leaving it standing. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. You've got the clearance, that's the reference. Perseverance for the utmost best should be your preference. Skills of trade and talents is your evidence. Help those afar off, teach those in your residence. Oh yeah, yeah, girls getting sentiments. Look at it with a clear conscience. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Oh. People try so many things just to make a living. Thanks and praise to the King, ever living thanksgiving, yo. Need no distraction, stay focused because it now begins. Got to achieve your goals, I'm that so vivid. No crime, no killing, no confusion. Life is so real, no time for disillusion. Just like Mom would say, love is the solution. Keep making music, cause I'm a musician. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants.
Lord of mercy, oh Lord, yes. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. I got it fully under his control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for Jah. Can't afford to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Can't afford to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh, 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 Lord. Yeah, oh, well. Hey, as I journey down life road, yes, I call on Jah to with me carry my heavy load to where sweet waters flow, yes, because the road is a rough and winding road. I don't care what they say, and I don't care what they do. Would I do that I'm treading through? Jah, I found a friend in you, yes. Ooh, hey, hey. Ooh, hey, oh, Lord. Got to be a winner for Jah. Can't afford to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Can't afford to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh Lord, well, oh well, oh joy, oh. Set them 69 higher. Red hot, hey, lightning and thunder, Rasta kingdom come, hey, leaving the wicked men all into shame. Hey, in wrath and anger, Rasta break them down. Hey, spiritual, verbally I am profound. They came to keep the peace, and every day the war increase. They need to clean corruption from the root. It's easy they blame it on the ghetto youths. Hey, the so-called ministers, they're so negligent. Oh Lord, their poor business strategy won't even help. No way, no work to facilitate all the needy souls. Oh Lord, that's why on the street so much gunshot aboard. And they came to serve and keep the peace, while every day the war increase. They need to clean corruption from the root. It's if they blame it on the ghetto youths. Hey, the people try to self-generate, but Metropolitan clear them off the streets. And sometime I penetrate. How many young repeat me day I had no wheat. I say, age protected, infant cared for, sick be nourished, naked clothed and homeless sheltered. That's the order of the day. Our lightning and thunder, Rasta kingdom come. Oh Lord, leaving the wicked men into shame. Lord, brimstone and fire, Rasta rot them down. See it, wicked them running all through the town. Lord, they came to serve and keep the peace, while every day the war increase. They need to clean corruption from the root. Yet see they blame it on the ghetto youths. Red hot now. Oh, oh, fire they blaze now. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
If I call you only God, yeah. If you want sufferer, them I call you only God, whoa. If you want papa, yeah. The people of the society, them a deal with partiality. If you is poor and poverty, they don't show no mercy. As I see you, them a call the police, cry out the murder and a cry out for thief. And no matter if you're in So how those people could ever be blessed? Them I call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them I call you only God, whoa. If you a pauper, yeah. They don't care what you eat. They don't business where you sleep. If you live in a house or you live on the street, but them I call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them I call you only God, whoa. If you a papa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Them I call you only God. I chew we a suffer, whoa. The people of the society, them a deal with partiality. If you is poor and poverty, they don't show no mercy. As I'm seeing them, I call the police. Cry out the murder and I cry out for thief. They don't matter if you're even innocent. Them I want you to come near them resident. Them I call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them I call you only God, whoa. If you a papa, yeah. Some live on the flat, some live up on the hill. Them wouldn't come to the ghetto and give a $10 bill. Them merciless and them pitiless. So how those people could ever be blessed? Them I call you only God, whoa. If you a sufferer, yeah. Them I call you only God, yeah. If you a papa, boy. They don't care what you eat. They don't business where you sleep. If you live in a big mansion or you live on the street, them I call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them I call you only God, yeah. If you a papa, yeah. Them I call you only God.
My blood run cold. My blood run cold. When I hear the sound of a gun, my blood run cold. My blood run cold. Too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. What happened to the poor, it not happened to the rich in this society. Too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. My people, I'm begging you to hold on steady. Yeah. This is reality and not a story. Too much of a war and brutality. Yeah. It hurt me so bad to know that we are living in violence. So why can't you stop and make some adjustment? Yeah, yeah. Every day more feeling the pressure. Every day more feeling the pain. Me see them a run come to give I the blame. Again, too much of the Babylon brutality in our community. What happened to the poor, it now happened to the rich in this society. Too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. Yeah, my people, I'm begging you to hold on steady. Hey, I can't take the pressure any longer. I can't wait for them to get stronger. Stop them now before it's too late. And I don't mean to hesitate. When I hear the sound of a gun, my blood run cold. My blood run cold. When I hear the sound of a gun, my blood run cold. My blood run cold. Yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. This is reality and not a story. Too much of a war and brutality. You not trust your own, but listen this. Yes, Jah will never let us down.
No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend them say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. I will never let us down. No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend them say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. You want me say, yeah. He never quit and never fail. Yeah. Righteousness shall prevail. Yeah. Him and my father and my friend. Mercy just can never end. We feel the pangs of sorrow, the ecstasy of joy. Feel a whole pass up me say from we was a boy. See the no elevate and enough destroy. And judge a love we are employ. See don't know. Me hear a man say that him disappointed. Him here say that him best friend say him should have dead. No surprise to the rebel car earth and run red by your love. I wanna be surrounded. And I will never let us down. No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend don't say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. I will never let us down. No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend don't say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. Hear what me say, yeah. He never quit and never fail. Yeah. Righteousness shall prevail. Yeah. I'm my father and my friend. Mercy just can never end. Them show we got, them show we jump, them show we money and bum. Feel me wisdom, tell me not depend on none. Cause anyone who be the elusive drum. Always I end up like a butt against sun. I've only for people who you love very much, but you can hardly find one who you can trust. Man inclined to be well dangerous, but God told us man to man is unjust. Jah will never let us down. No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend them say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. Jah will never let us down. No. He's always around, yeah. Your friend them say bye. Call Pana Baba Janai. And hear what me say, Joe. He never quit and never fail. Righteousness shall prevail. My father and my friend. Mercy just can never end. Oh no. Go Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. 5 loaves of bread, 5,000 defend. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, Jah. Never let I down. 10,000 rise up against me. No, not one of them can come smite me, Jah. Never let I down. Wicked heart and evil mind concentrate me. Thinking all they want terminate me, Jah. Never let us down. He's my shield and my buckler. He's my guide and protector. Whoa, he never let I down. Sing it at me, sing yeah. Go Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing yeah. Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Like David slew Goliath with a sling and a stone. Sample slew the Philistine with a jackass bound and never let I down. I run my back up in a sticky situation. To preserve a better preparation. Wow, we never let I down. They'll give you a basket to carry water. Why, oh why? To do your works, I'll never falter. Oh, no. Full saying there is no God. But praising Jah, I'm feeling glad. Yeah. Oh, Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. want to sing, yeah. Cha-cha, 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 cha-cha. Never let us down, no cha. Never let us down. 5 loaves of bread, 5,000 he fed. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, cha. Never let I down. 10 and 20,000 rise up against me. No, not one of them can come smite me, cha. Never let I down.
Searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap. Lord, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they'll do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and grows, you got to make preparation while the youths them grow. It's what you reap, it's what you sow. The youth them are the light and the future, so when that's them, you know. If education is the key, now tell me why the bigger heads are make it so expensive for we. Give them the key or set them free. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Boy, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Oh na na na, oh mama, oh mama na 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 na. You got to find a better way, 'cause when me looking at Babylon, me see a beer foul play. I saw the Gideon say, yeah. Our nation come together, know the King's last years, the truth and the light and the way. Teach the people, lead them in the getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Boy, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Yeah. You got to show the people there's still a bright way. Yeah. I know for sure the sun will come out today. Yeah. Vanity's an illusion will have to fade away. Yeah. And all the wicked deeds are done, I know you got to pay. Yeah. Cause in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Yeah. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap.
Don't be evil, you better be righteous. Yeah. Envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, envious and deceitful people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. You have to try to get up light if you wanna hold your head up high. It might be rough, it might be tough. I don't believe in giving up. Is a hard road to travel, and a mighty long way to go. Tell me when you gonna run to, when the trumpet blow. You don't have no love, your heart is full of grudge. You always want to be above, so you get involved working iniquity just to achieve vanity. But by the sweat of your brow we all shall eat bread. That's what my father said. Look how hard I have to work to build a roof over my head. Yes, envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, no, no. Envious and covetous people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. Oh, be unto the iniquity workers. Yeah. They don't want to see me prosper. No. Oh, be unto the iniquity workers. There will be lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire. Yeah, yeah. Envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, no, no. Envious and covetous people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. Hey, I know there is a place of love and happiness. Oh yes, a wonderful place I would like to be. No sadness but only gladness. Oh yes, we shall all live in love and unity. So go away, stay away, envious and bad-minded people. Envious.
I say believe people business and mind your own. I say believe people business, hey, leave people business alone. Leave people business and mind your own. Leave people business alone. Leave people business and mind your own. You in my way, like a rolling stone, like stick and stone, cannot break your bone. But David killed Goliath with a sling and a stone. Samson killed the Philistine with a donkey jawbone. So leave people business alone. people business and mind your own. Leave people business alone. Leave people business and mind your own. You carry news go, and you carry news go home. But that's not the use for your teeth and your tongue. I say like you're on the street with your mouth going like a bell. And as anything happen, you are the first one to tell. Saying, Sandra says sound and said and sound, yes, Sandra said. Sandra says sound and said and sound, yes, Sandra said. Paul it said, Claude it said, and Claude it said, Paul it said. Paul it said, Claude it said, and Claude it said, Paul it said. Whoa, whoa, oh yeah, whoa, and why? Whoa, yeah,
now. Them can't take the botheration. No, no. The people want liberation now. Them can't take the frustration. No, no, no. Oh, what today it will be. For all my people to see reality, forgetting all sad memories. Let's deal with what is reality. Say them want liberation now. Yeah. Oh, hey. Can't tell the botheration. No, no, no. Too much confusion. Yeah. Much frustration, well, no. Oh, what a day it will be when all my people see reality, forgetting all sad memory. Let's deal with what is reality. Ooh, well. Would be when all my people see reality. We waited so long, don't wanna lose you now. Hey, shepherd, be careful, cause the wolves are still after you. They're getting nervous with everything you do. Shepherd, be careful, cause the wolves are still after you. And if you don't watch your step, they will surely devour you. Cause they don't wanna give it up. Diamonds and pearls, don't wanna give it up. Silver and gold, they don't wanna give it up. Trying to control. The fact of the matter is, the financial beneficiaries have gotten fat from the wealth they stole, and they don't wanna lose control. So though they promise reform and justice, they only preach but they never practice. Though they claim to be solving the problem, make no move to even solve them. They don't wanna give it up. Oh no, they don't wanna give it up. Johannesburg, don't wanna give it up. Pretoria, don't wanna give it up. South Africa, don't wanna give it up. Don't wanna give it up. Hey, shepherd, be careful, cause the wolves are still after you. They're getting nervous with everything you do. Shepherd, be careful, wolves and leopards are still after you.
Or they line up like Stevie Cole, yeah.
They don't wanna give it up.
Diamonds and pearls.
Don't wanna give it up.
Johannesburg.
Don't wanna give it up.
Pretoria.
Don't wanna give it up.
South Africa.
Don't wanna give it up.
Yeah.
Don't wanna give it up.
Don't wanna give it
Don't
up.
wanna give it up.
Hold on, my.
Don't wanna give it up. Don't wanna give it up.
Shepherd, be careful, 'cause the wolves are still after you. And they're getting nervous with everything you do, yeah.
Shepherd, be careful. Wolves and leopards are still after you. And if you don't watch your step, they will surely devour you. So
They told the world you're free, but it could be another plot.
and then when you least expect, they might stab you in the back. 'Cause they don't wanna give it up.
Diamonds and pearls,
Don't wanna give it up.
silver and gold,
Don't wanna give it up.
South Africa.
Don't wanna give it up.
Rastafari come, oh Lord, oh well. In that say knowledge is the way to survival. In that say food is the store of life. In Rastafari is the way to salvation. In us is cherishing, and he will never depart. Lazy man shall not eat. By the sweat of your brow you'll eat bread. Man without self-confidence is twice defeated in this race of life. So I repeat, oh Lord, knowledge is the way to survival. And I say food is the stone of life. And Rastafari is the way to salvation. And I say cherish him, and he will never depart. Cause still time keep a wise head. Fools lean on their own misunderstanding. So naive and so self-centered, claims he knows everything when he knows not a thing away. This ya one ya red, this ya one ya red now. Oh Lord, wait again. We learn say knowledge is the way to survive. Oh, that's it. Food is the stone of life. Jaja is the way to salvation. I say cherish him, and he will never depart. Oh,
Knowledge is the root of survival. Food is the staff of life. Knowledge is the root of survival. Food is the staff of life. Knowledge is the root of survival. Food is the staff of life.
lazy man shall not eat. By the sweat of your brow you'll eat bread. One without self-confidence is twice defeated in this race of life. Whoa, 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 oh Lord, knowledge is the way to survival. Food is the stone of life. Right now, Rastafari is salvation. Cherish it.
Don't you live an illusion, don't you ever try to live a dream. I say, but you say, how could you rise up every living day?
fi cross with health and strength. We all can get past happenings of yesterday and just a thing of the past. How could we rise every living day? Telling myself most things is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. Lord knows who cry every moment, every day. Don't you cry, little one. Wipe your tears, sing my song. Though we in a strange land with evil lost one. Head the weak if you're strong. Iron sharpen iron. When you don't take a look, is where the help come from. What about the mastermind them with the foolproof plan? What about the genius them who achieve grade one? How could we rise up every living day? Telling ourselves everything is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. Lord knows who cry every moment, every those who cry for the poor get rejected, neglected, put to death. How much more we are gonna take? Did the Papa walk off him short? Blood, sweat and tears. Don't tell me that you no forget. Being oppressed by the oppressors on different type of stress. For the sorrows of the poor, they don't even care. Let's refuse to deal with real atrocities. Civil unrest instead of independent juries as big as birdness. Saying we are to be blamed for whatever one miss. How could you rise up every living day? Telling yourself most things is okay. When you look at life, it's all slipping away.
One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again with people from different nations. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again with people from different culture. I'm pressing on right now to the mark of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I won't worry cause the wicked has fallen. And the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling. Though I see tribulation and strife, forever his praises I'm singing. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. Mount Zion, the highest region. One of these days, we will meet again. Get ready for repatriation. One of these fine days, we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these days, we will meet again. One aim, one destiny. My yoke might be hard, but Jah promised to lighten my burden. Only in Jah do I trust. He's the only solution to the system. And our freedom is a must, no matter how the heathen cuss and fuss. Peace and love and unity is the key to continued survival. One of these fine days, we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these fine days, we will meet again. One aim, one destiny. One of these fine days, we will meet again, and there won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again with people from different nations. No, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. One of these days, yeah, 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 yeah. How good and how pleasant it is to live in love and unity. No fussing, no fighting, just hydrants uniting in peace and harmony. The blessing of God is forever. The works of the wicked can't prosper. There's one thing that I desire. Jah mercy is what I seek after. One of these fine days, we will meet again. Mount Zion, the highest region. One of these days, we will meet again. Get ready for repatriation. One of these fine days, we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these days, we will meet again.